We're back.
Okay, we're back for another easy recipe. This time we're going to be making some keto peanut butter. They're cookies, but they're kind of more like fat bombs. They're like these really yummy, easy chocolate covered peanut butter cookies. They take about 5 minutes to prep and about an hour until they're ready to eat. And I got this recipe off delish.com. I'll make sure to link the recipe down below so we don't get sued.
Thank you.
So the ingredients you're going to need for this recipe are coconut flour, brown sugar swerve,
Adam's all natural peanut butter in exactly 16-ounce jar.
yeah, 16-ounce jar, 1.5 cups of peanut butter, and then
melt it.
Hey, get
Melt
that
it.
Melt it. We also have these Lily's dark chocolate chips. These are keto chocolate chips. The net carbs on this is 0 because there's 8 carbs, -5 dietary fiber, 3 erythritol.
Wow.
These are super good, keto friendly. I'll make sure to link all of the ingredients that we are using down in the description. 0 carbs. I could eat this whole bag and not get fat.
Let's do it.
It's actually not true. Calories still do count. I can get a 25-ounce mocha with all heavy cream. Not healthy. And my battery's flashing. So we're gonna swap batteries real quick.
I'm buying these and eating them all.
Alright, now back to our regularly scheduled program.
Anyway, see over here.
Those are the ingredients.
They're good.
We need 1 cup of coconut flour, 1/4 cup of the keto brown sugar, a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt, and then 2 cups of keto friendly dark chocolate chips such as Lily's melted. So we're gonna have to melt these biatches. And a tablespoon of coconut oil. My co-host is MIA. Okay, we got the chocolate all melted up, and it was 1 bag of the Lily's chocolate chips.
Oh, dang it.
FYI.
You better cut all this out. This is boring.
Yeah. Okay. In a medium bowl, combine the peanut butter, the coconut flour. There's our coconut flour.
How much of this?
We need 1 cup.
Shishini.
Doing great. So 4 of those guys. The sugar, and that is going to be a 1/4 cup. How convenient. We have a 1/4 cup measuring
Should
cup.
probably stop using a kid's spoon.
Yeah, 1/4 cup salt. And the salt. And we're getting a total of a pinch of salt.
Great.
Whatever that
Pinch
means.
it. Would you grab me a spoon, please, kind sir?
What kind of spoon?
Okay.
Regular spoon.
Big one.
Pinch.
Pinch it. Hey, gentlemen.
Okay. Now we're gonna mix that up. Stir it until it's smooth. Oof. Oh, I think it goes really well with a black sweatshirt. Looks good, smells good. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper.
Where's
We've
the
already
oil?
done that. And we'll get there.
Okay.
So we lined a baking sheet with parchment paper.
Did it.
Using a small cookie scoop, you're gonna form the mixture into rounds, then press down lightly to flatten slightly and place on baking sheet. Freeze until firm for 1 hour. Good God, we don't have an hour.
What's all this?
So
chocolate
after you
for?
put those on there, you're gonna freeze them for an hour. Yeah, why did we melt the chocolate now? You dip, so you melt the chocolate and then you, with the coconut oil, and you dip the balls at the end into
You
the
already
chocolate.
put the oil in this?
No, I have not put oil in there yet.
Okay.
But
Because you should definitely not melt these
Yeah.
chocolate chips before you do the freezing for an hour because it's gonna get hard.
Yeah, we can just remelt it. But wait to melt the chocolate chips until after your cookie doughs are balled and frozen.
This should yield about 22 balls.
Yeah, we're looking like 22 servings. But peanut butter, there's no carbs in the chocolate, no carbs in the sweetener. The coconut flour is like minor. So these, I would guess probably like 2 to 3 carbs per ball, if I had to guess.
Good oil.
Coconut oil.
Yep, good
Lots
fat
of good
in there.
healthy fat in there. So we're gonna roll up all these balls and put them in the freezer and we'll be right back.
Well, I just pulled the peanut butter ball. Quiet!
Okay, balls.
I just pulled the balls. Okay, let's be mature.
She said balls.
Okay, I said balls. So, I just pulled these wonderful cookie
Wanna film the balls?
out of the freezer. They are nice and firm to the touch.
Ooh, they're actually kind of really hard.
We added our oil, we melted our chocolate, and we are ready to dip. I don't like to dip.
When I dip, you dip, we dip. When I dip, maybe use a toothpick.
Is that how people do it?
All right, so you're gonna wanna dip each ball into the chocolate, and then after we dip the balls in the chocolate, we're gonna set it back in the freezer for about 10 minutes. And if you wanna be like super fancy, you can get some more peanut butter and drizzle peanut butter on top of the chocolate as well.
Well, yeah. This is kind of like a Buckeye, if you've ever heard of that. If you're on East Coast.
It's like a keto Buckeye.
Yeah, this is a keto Buckeye. Yeah.
Those look so beautiful. So we got some melted, Marcus, ruining the video.
Wow. Wow.
Stage.
Wow.
Not much help. So we have some melted peanut butter that we're gonna drizzle. Now explain the drizzle. Pro trip.
I am so tired. Pro tip.
We've been filming for hours now.
Put the melted peanut butter into the Ziploc bag.
Save the turtles.
Seal it. Cut a little edge and watch some magic happen.
Probably should have cut the edge before, but cut the opposite edge.
Your smartness just really wows me.
Not too big of a spot.
Do you want to do
Drizzle that
this?
shite.
Hot and ready.
Oh yeah!
Oh, pro.
So beautiful. Yes!
Be so cute with like green and white frosting for the holidays.
That
But
one
this
looks
is-
sad.
This is keto.
All right, now that your balls are covered in fudge and peanut butter, you're gonna pop your balls back in the freezer for 10 minutes until the chocolate is hardened.
Oh man, I'm tired.
All right, so we just got these balls out. Took a picture because, you know,
It's blurry. There we go.
oh, really, Sal? All right, we just got these out. We took a picture and look how good these things look. And Erin, shout out for the Instagram worthy plating.
Thank you.
Amazing.
Tell it. Oh, there we go.
All right.
Who's ready to eat some balls? Definitely freeze these until like the moment you're gonna eat them.
Yeah, you want to serve
Cheers.
them cold?
2 hours later.
Oh my God.
Wow. Mark.
Josh, when are you gonna come try these? They're kind of messy and a little sticky. I feel like a dog. Like, nah, nah, nah. These are yummy.
Oh, this just went all in.
I almost feel like you don't need the coconut oil in the chocolate.
You do.
Why?
I don't know.
Kids are dying. All right, so that's another
I would
keto
add
friendly
a
video.
little bit more sugar. Swerve.
Yeah, you can sweeten
Into
it
the
up a
peanut
little bit
butter
more
mix.
if you want to. Maybe do like another like quarter of a cup.
But I think it's because we use the super healthy peanut butter. If we use
Unhealthy peanut butter?
Skippy natural
Has
peanut
sugar
butter,
in it.
has sugar in it.
Yeah. So anyways, another keto friendly video for you guys. Check out our other recipe videos. Also, please make sure you subscribe to Erin's channel, The Couch House. Subscribe to our channel by clicking the link down below. We post new videos usually around every week. And for the next month, we're gonna be posting a lot of recipe videos. That's all we've done today is recipe videos. And yeah, we will see you
I
in the
post
next
videos
one.
about every 6 months. So.
Yeah, ish, like every Easter.
Just kidding.
Bye.